Hey, it's Sam here, and this is the Redragon OTIIM K729 Pro. It's a wireless 10 keyless keyboard with a volume knob and custom silent switches. Priced around $50, there's 3 color options available, and I have the white and gray color option in this video. Included in the box is some Redragon stickers, the keyboard user manual, a Type-C to C cable with a Type-A adapter, a switch and keycap puller, 4 extra switches, and the keyboard, which is mostly plastic, weighing just over 950 grams or 2.1 pounds. Moving on to the design, the keyboard has the usual 10 keyless layout, and it has the Redragon logo on the top right corner, an RGB light bar above the arrow keys, the volume knob located next to the escape key and is mounted vertically as you can see, the 2.4 GHz wireless receiver on the right with some really nice side RGB lighting, the OS switcher Type-C port and tri-mode switch in the middle on the back, and a really cool structural design on the bottom with 4 non-slip feet and 2 height adjustable flip out ones. Besides that, the keyboard has these rounded OEM profile double short PBT keycaps, Redragon custom silent pitch switches that have a dust-proof design, an RGB diffuser and comes pre-looped out of the box, plate-mounted stabilizers that have been lightly looped with some sound dampeners at the spacebar, a soft and bouncy flex-cut polycarbonate plate that is gasket-mounted, a 5-pin hot swap south-facing PCB with per-key RGB that has flex cuts as well, a 4000 mAh battery for wireless use tucked under here, and 5 layers of sound dampening materials, with 2 located in the bottom case and 3 in between the plates and PCB. Diving into the software, the keyboard supports the K729 RGB Pro driver. With this, you can set different profiles, remap all of the layers and keys with the functions listed here, configure the RGB lighting effects, brightness, speed, and color, enable the RGB to be reactive to sound like an audio visualizer for music and videos, and record and import macros as well. Carrying on to the usage and performance, the silent switches are really smooth and quiet but can feel a little mushy. This is typical for silent switches as you're sacrificing on the feel for a silent experience. Honestly, it feels decent to type and game on, especially with the full N key rollover support and the fast 1000Hz polling rate. But I only recommend this if you really need a silent keyboard. Anyway, that was everything about the keyboard, and here is a quick typing sound test with the silent switches. Alright, here are my final thoughts on the Redragon OTIIM K729 Pro. Priced around $50, I think it's a great silent 10 keyless keyboard. The design is quite tasteful with nice RGB lighting, and the volume knob adds a little more functionality. I only wish that it came with linear or tactile switch options so more people can enjoy this keyboard. But with that said, if you're looking for a great budget keyboard with silent switches for work or just daily use, the Redragon OTIIM K729 Pro is a solid choice. As usual, everything will be linked in the description below if you're interested, and that does it for this video. Thanks to Redragon for the keyboard, and thank you for watching. Leave a like on the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't, and remember to subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.